आमच्यान म्हणूं येता, देवाचें मुखामळ बरेपण फांकुयतलें मुखामळ. जेजू आपले पोरजेची गरज पळयता आनी आपले पोरजेक गरज तें बरें त्या त्या वेळार आपल्या काळा प्रमाणे वांटीत आसता. आयच्या ह्या शिव वर्तमानांत आमी गवळ्यांची खबर आयकल्या आनी कोण परी मारये वरवीं तांकां हें बरेपण फाव जाता, हो बरो संदेश फाव जाता तें आमकां नियाळूंक मेळटा. भाव भयणीनो, पवित्र पुस्तकाच्या काळार गवळ्यांची परिस्थिती भोव खाला आनी ह्या विशीं आमचो पाप साय फ्रांसीस बेस बरो नियाळ करून आमकां स्कुटावून अशी समजणी दिता. By reason of their work, they were people forced to live on the edges of society. Their state of life and the places they had to stay prevented them from observing all ritual prescriptions of religious purification. As a result, they were considered unclean. Their skin, their clothing, their smell, their way of speaking, their origin, all betrayed them. Everything about them generated mistrust. They were people to be kept at a distance, to be feared. They were considered pagans among believers, sinners among the just, foreigners among the citizens. आनी असल्यांक ही आमची सर्गीची आवय, ही आमची देवाची माता हें बरेपण हो बरो वास दिता.